Hi everyone, Shudhu here. So today, after a long time, I'm back, and today I'm not gonna show you any course of any language to make something. Today I'll show my made site, and that's an e-commerce site, and we're gonna publish it very soon to internet. So let's review the site and see how have I made it. So these are the files that I had to take to make the site. So now if we open the main file, which is index.html, so we will see an interface like this. So this is basically my e-commerce website, and one by one all the functions will be revealed to you now. So this is the logo, and it can reload the site. Shop section, if you click here, it will take us to this features product section, then electronics. And now here, first one thing, notice that here's all categories is selected, none of the specific categories are selected. So now if we click on this category, and if you click on electronics, so this category will be the category section below will be selected as electronics. See here. Now here if we click on fashion, so this will be selected as fashion. So we have completed our category section very well. So you can see when you reload it, then all the products have reloaded. So these are the navigation functions. One on search section, so you can search our products like premium with the headphone has revealed. Now if you search for watch, so search section is even working. It's cart section. Whenever you click on this shop section over a product, you will be redirected to here, and the product will be added to cart. So then it's the login section, and it's dark and light vibe of the site. So we have not made it well because we are not focused on the tiny things that doesn't help you. So then let's talk about this login section. Then we'll be talking about how to uh, order a product and how to get the product. So click on this and log in. But remember, if I use my conditionals, so I'll get admin access. But when you use your conditionals, you won't get the admin access because I'm admin, you are not. This is the admin access I have gotten. Click on this and you'll be redirected to this page, and it's pretty cool because it's almost ready-made. You'll just have to place the product name, price, and the category, and upload an image, then publish to shop. The product will be published to the shop. It's very easy to control the entire site. So if I show you a demo, so right here for the logo, $1, then upload an image like this. And if I click publish to shop, then it shows me that success, it has published to the shop. So if we click on view shop below, you will see this I have added right now. Now how to remove any product? If I show you that, just click on this, remove this product. Okay, now click view shop. There's no longer the product is. So now I'm gonna show you that how to order and get the product. So it's very easy. If you like this one, premium headphones, like you can see the value of this and name and even a demo image, then click on this shop icon, add it to cart. Okay, then you can see here it was 0, but now it's showing 1 because you have added one product to cart. Now click on this cart section, then premium headphones. So now place your details, then these are the details I have placed. Now if I click checkout, Order placed successfully. Everything has been sent to admin email equi. So here you'll see that it hasn't been sent to our primary section. So for that, click on more, go for spam, and you will see this. Now click here report not spam and reload Gmail, then you'll get it in your primary section. Then these are the details we have ordered for premium headphones. We have ordered this $299, and these are the details of the orderer. This is the customer name, and everything has been sent to us. So this was the site that I have made, and if you have liked it, like the video. And if you talk about publishing this site, so very soon we will be publishing it to internet, and you can check it out. And every product we will publish here will be available to us. Just order and get, nothing else. Bye bye, Allah Hafiz.